In this video, I'm going to show you and explain how you can add text in Davinchi Resolve. This is very easy once you know what you're doing. So this might be what your Davinchi Resolve looks like when you first open it and you've imported your clip. It's important to note that I'm in the edit section. There are many sections of Davinchi Resolve. I'm in this third one along, which is the edit section, which you need to be in. So once you have your clip and you want to add text, go to Effects in the top left-hand corner, and that will open up this window with all of these different options. You need to look for titles, and then if you scroll down, it's going to give you a preview through these different text titles you can add. You can add many of these, but I'm just going to add a basic text title. So you can click and drag it onto your clip, and you can resize how long you want the text to show. I'm just going to have it to show for the whole clip. So now if you go ahead and click on your text, and double click on it, you can go ahead and edit it. But you're not done yet because you might want to change the font and the size. And you may have seen other tutorials where they have options to change that and you're wondering how. Well, you actually need to click on the Inspector tab in the top right hand corner, and that will open up this window where we can then highlight the text again. You can change the font and obviously all of the settings that come with that. You can change the size and you can add just different text effects. You can add strokes, drop shadows, and so on. You can also change the text position by just dragging it and it will snap to the middle if needed. But that is how you can add text. I hope that video helped you out.